Okay, so I want you to watch this video. Want to watch this video and listen to what I played in this video. I'm going to explain everything to you guys. So now, before I explain that to you, before I explain what I want to say now, if you know that it's the first time you're coming across my video, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you get updated with my interesting lesson on this page, okay? And if you want to join my online class, do where to chat me on the number on the screen there. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. If you have any challenges, do where to hit on the comment section, okay? One of my subscribers wrote this comment, okay? Wrote this comment and said, please make a video on how to make melody, okay? So that video, the video I just played here is a typical example of what we mean by melody, okay, in a song, in improvisation, okay? So if you have been finding out to make melody in a song, listening to this video over and over and over and over will change your mind, will give you a very good insight, okay? Will give you a very good insight, which will also enhance your playing skill, because this video is just a 1-minute video, but if you listen to it, you see a lot of melody, harmonies, which I try to bring in to make the song more harmonic and advanced, okay? I know many of you from maybe different countries might not really understand the song, okay? But what the song really means is, for those of us that are in Nigeria, I know you know the meaning of Oyoma is an Igbo language. So, I don't know, or maybe it's an Igbo language, okay? Oyoma, that's the God we serve. Oyuku, which means that is the God of all creation, the God of impossibility, the God of amazing job, exceptional God. That is the kind of God we serve, okay? That is what the song is actually meaning or all about, okay? So now I played the song in the key of F. Okay, I played the song in the key of F. Oh, your ma, oh, that we go to serve. Oh, you cool, that is God we serve. Oh, your ma, oh, your. Okay, so at first, the progression of the song is 1, 5, 4, 5, 1. Okay, so now let me bring this close so that you can understand what I'm playing, okay? So now, if you have progressions like that, okay? If you have progressions like that, what you will do is that you check the note that forms the do chord, which is do, mi, so, do, mi, do. Check the note that forms the va chord, va, la, do, va. Then so, ti, re, ti, so. So what you're going to do is that check out this note them in another octave, just like this other octave in the key of F. Okay? This is the key of F. That's the key of F. So we have do, sol, mi, do. Okay? So we have do, mi, sol, do. So on this shape now, you can just come and play the melody of that song on this shape. Instead of play, oh your man, love you all this love, all is good, all is good, love you all this love. Instead of playing on this shape, it might sound like a rhythm. You just come to this shape. Now we have the va here. The va is a va line. Okay. So that same va, we still have it here. This is va, la, do. Va, la, do. Do, la, va, do, la, va. The same thing at the saw. This is your saw. Okay. So, ti, re, so. Okay, so, ti, re, ti, so. Re, ti, so. Okay. So, you can just come on this shape. This is your do. And just play the melody of that song. That is. Oh, yeah, man. See this? Now you got the stuff. Only good enough. Okay. Okay, now. So that's it. So all you will do is when you play, so when you are coming to saw, okay, you have your re here, which is the minor note that, form of the saw chord. So while holding your saw, you pick up that minor note there, which is the re. Okay? Pick up that minor note re, then hammer on it. Okay? Stuff like that. Re, ti, so, okay? Now coming to the va, you have the la, do, va, la, do, okay? So the do is part of the va chord. Sorry, the va chord. So you just pick the do and the la. That still gives you a va improvisation, okay? Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that is how you form melody, and a whole lot to teach in that particular lesson. So maybe in my next lesson, I'm going to talk more on how you can form melody, okay? So stay tuned and see you guys in the next video. Bye.